The National Rural Livelihood Mission Block Mission Management Unit Nongstoin Block, in collaboration with the District Election Officer West Khasi Hills, today observed World Environment Day at Nongstoin by conducting a cleaning drive and a tree plantation at Mauklam Nongpending. The day witnessed a strong participation of the members of 20 SHGs from 2 village organizations from Maubana, Klam and Rumpepur Khatmai. As part of the program, a tree plantation drive was also conducted in and around the village. Meanwhile, on the occasion of World Environment Day 2022, Nectar Shillong office celebrated the event with the theme Only One Earth. The event started with a poster-making competition among school students of Shillong on the theme Safeguarding the Earth's Finite Resources. Later, an extempore speech competition was also held among the school students. A cleanliness drive was also carried out by the Nectar staff in the vicinity of the office premises.